What's up guys, my name is Kai from Vertigoh Vision, and today we are learning Lil Uzi Vert's Futsal Shuffle variations. So in my last video, I taught you guys the basic steps to the Futsal Shuffle. If you haven't learned the basic steps yet, I highly recommend you go watch that video first and then come back, because once you learn those, this will be cake. Without further ado, let's get into the Futsal Shuffle variations. So whether or not you watch the basic tutorial or you just skip straight to this one, you're gonna learn that the basic step is together, right, left, 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 right, together. 7 steps, forward and reversed. So if you watch the video that Lil Uzi posted, you're gonna notice that he always goes back to those steps. But in between the steps, he continues to do his own variations, which is what we're going to learn today. So the first variation he goes into is what we call a kick step. So it's very similar to a breaking move, but kick, place the other foot, step out. Kick, place the other foot, step out. Relatively simple, right? Compared to the basic step. Kick forward, put down, out, kick forward, down, out. And just keeps repeating. And we're gonna call that gunshot kickouts because he kicks out during the gunshots of the song. Second variation is extremely similar, but it's a moving kick out. So he kicks out, and he steps to the side, and he kicks out here, and he kicks out again, he steps to the side again. So instead of staying in place, you're using the kicks to travel, travel again. Try it one more time. Step, 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 kick, step, kick, step. This next variation we're about to learn is probably the simplest. So say that you do the basic step, and you're here now. Now you want to bring your feet together. So you're gonna bring your heels in, and your toes in, and your heels in. When you step out from the basic, you go heel, toe, heel. This next variation is probably my favorite because after all the fast footwork that you're doing, you can slow it down and show people that you know what's up and you have control. So we're gonna call this one the isolation variation. And basically what you're doing is left, hold it, left, hold it, right, hold it, left, hold it, okay? Left, back, right, left. And on this step, he switches feet very fast. The last step I have to teach today is what we're gonna call the twist back step. And that's because when he's doing it, it looks like he's twisting his hip and he's stepping back. It looks tricky at first, but when you break it down, essentially what's happening, you're gonna hop and twist onto your left foot, right foot, left foot. Now you're gonna do the same thing reverse. So the right foot is gonna come up, step and twist, and you're gonna walk this way. I think the important part for this step is making sure that you twist your hip before you take that first step, so that when you do the other 2 steps, it gives it that line. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I've taught these 5 variations to you, and now when we put them all together with the basic steps, you can do exactly what Lil Uzi is doing in his video. On top of that, now that you have these steps, you can mix them and match them as you'd like, because that's kind of what he's doing. He looks like he's freestyling in the video, so you can do the same, do it better. Let's see what you got. At the end of the day, it is a fast dance, so how fast you're going to get it is going to be completely dependent on how much you're focusing and how much time you're putting into practicing it. Even just getting this combo, for me, took a while, because it is a fast dance and it's not my style. But I hope it helped you guys out, and if you guys want more tutorials, please feel free to let me know what type of tutorials you'd want to see in the comments below. My name's Kai from Vertigoh Vision. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Some blue cheddar. She try to leave me alone. Then she got right with my clone, man. I hope that she do better. I know it's blue cheese on me, but when I got 50s on me, I call that shit loose cheddar. Jeremy Scott's all on my feet. I had a cougar with me, so I call that girl Coretta. I am the richest nigga in my city. I can make it rain like no matter what's still weather.